Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 79 and a low of 60.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.